24 lakhs per annum. This is the kind of salary that a 2 to 3 year old digital product designer, also called as a UX UI designer, is getting in our industry right now. Crazy, isn't it? The demand for good digital product designers is through the roof. At least 50 plus jobs are getting added, in addition to the 50,000 jobs that are already open. Our industry is growing exponentially, and we are finding it very hard to get the good product designers to come and work for some of the most impactful digital products out there. If you want to get into digital product design, this is the time. Unlike other professions like a doctor or an engineer or a lawyer, a designer doesn't need a design degree to be a designer. And that makes it hard and easy at the same time. Hard because it's a composite subject and there are about 10 subject areas come together, and that is how much you should understand to be a good digital product designer. Bad and easy because the entry bar is so low. If you have been to a 2-hour workshop or downloaded a certificate, then you are also called as a digital product designer. So the noise is increasing in the industry. If you need to stand out as a good signal among this noisy world, then you need to understand the fundamentals. It's all about the skills and not about your certificates or degrees that we care about in the industry. So if you want good skills, here we are conducting a 2-day product design workshop. Across 12 hours, we will teach you the basics of product design, the fundamentals of user interface design, along with the basics of a tool like Figma. And in addition to that, you will understand the big picture of design, product, and business, how it is all connected together. And all of this given to you in 12 crisp hours across 2 days. My 21 years of living and loving product design, after making 200 plus products and working across 20 plus domains and working with some of the prestigious brands of the world like Apple, Amazon, Vodafone, Philips, Novartis, and 30 more. I have made this workshop totally simple, jargon-free, so that even a 6-year-old can understand. So if you want to kickstart your product design career, you're welcome to be a part of our workshop so that you can learn design in a practical and actionable way. It's going to be fun yet intensive, but you will learn it once and carry it for a lifetime. What are you waiting for? We run these workshops only twice a year. That's going to be this weekend and the next weekend. I will see you on the other side.